Is dropshipping really profitable in 2019? Or are people just saying that to sell you a course? Let's find out. Hey, what is up? In this video, we're gonna talk about, is dropshipping really profitable in 2019 and beyond? Dropshipping is getting very competitive. A lot of people, especially people that follow my YouTube channel, that are in my Facebook group, they get into dropshipping hoping that it's gonna be an easy way out, an easy fix, and it's a little bit more competitive and a little bit harder than they initially thought. So they end up thinking, hey, is this still a profitable business model? Or should I go do something else? Should I do crypto? Should I do affiliate marketing? Or should I stick to it and actually make it work? And I'm here to tell you that yes, this is an extremely profitable business model. I have students making more than $40,000, $50,000 a month, but we're not gonna talk about that right now. We're gonna talk about the right way to do dropshipping and why most people fail when they try. Most people starting dropshipping, they fail miserably because they don't do the right steps. And because you're part of my audience, I love you and I care for you, I'm gonna give you the exact steps that you do need to follow and the things you need to avoid like the plague in order to stay profitable and build a real profitable dropshipping business in this year and beyond. Also, you wanna watch this video until the end because I will be giving out free bonuses throughout the video that you can use to learn more about dropshipping and build your business to 10K a month and more, so watch until the end. So how to actually build a dropshipping business that does make you money, that is extremely profitable, not just losing money over and over again. Before you start, study the market. This is not an easy business model. No business model is easy. Learn from YouTube videos, courses, successful stores. I'm not saying you need to go out there and spend thousands of dollars on mentorships and courses. You can learn for free on YouTube. Here in my YouTube channel, you can literally learn how to start making like $5,000, $10,000 a month. Not easy, not get rich quick, but you can learn how to do that for free here on my YouTube channel. You don't even have to join my mentorship. If you want, you can do that, but you don't have to, right? Successful stores, etc., right? You have to learn from people that have already done it. Look at stores that are making millions of dollars. What are they doing right? What are they doing that's making them that much money? And then you emulate and you model after it. And then get involved in dropshipping communities. Start learning from dropshipping groups. I have a 10,000 people Facebook group. If you want to join it down below, it's completely for free. If you join groups like that, people that are willing to share their advice, you can ask for questions. You can post screenshots of your data. Hey guys, I spent $10 on ads and I had this. What should I do? People are starting to give you feedback and you start learning and learning. So learn. That is the most important thing before you start or even after you start. The first thing is start with an audience. Don't just start selling random products out there. Maybe you see a cool product or a fidget spinner that you think, oh, this product is cool. Maybe everybody else likes it. No, understand. Don't just start to sell random products. Focus on a niche. You don't need to focus on one particular niche. It doesn't have to be like a people that like one specific topic, but do start with an audience. Start with a general, let's say, gender and age. I'm only going to sell to women that are 25 to 40 that are slightly interested in, let's say, yoga and aromatherapy and like wellness. And then that encompasses a lot of niches. It's not just one niche like yoga, it's a bunch of niches, and you can sell to that audience multiple products, but you picked one audience to focus on and research and understand. Second thing is determine what traffic source your audience is on. If you're selling products that are more expensive, that people actively search for on Google or actively ask their friends about, actively search for on Amazon, don't go and sell them on Facebook ads. Everybody's telling you, hey, do Facebook ads, that's the best thing in the world. Facebook ads are getting very, very competitive or getting more expensive. So if your products, you're able to sell them on Google and there's a demand for them, use Keyword Planner, use KW Finder, these tools that allow you to see if there's search volume on Google. Go ahead and do Google. You don't need to do Facebook. You don't need to do Pinterest or Instagram. You can go the Google route. If your product is a beauty, fashion product, things that help your skin or help your face, your appearance, go with Instagram. You need to choose the traffic source that is right for your product, not just whatever traffic source some guru told you to use. And then the third thing, building a brand is long term. You need to start thinking about where you're gonna be in the next 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, and you can radically change your life by doing the right things and building the right business. In the next 6 months, your life can be entirely different if you do it right, but you need to understand building a brand and building a successful company is a long-term game. Now, all it takes is one product to change your life. And this is something a lot of my friends and gurus, especially like guys like Ari Sherson, which you probably know, you've probably seen some of his videos. He always says, all it takes is one product to change your life. And that's literally it. All these gurus, all these guys out there, all it took was one little product to change their entire life, change their careers, change literally everything, and start making millions of dollars from one product. All it takes is one. Product research should be your main focus when you're starting out. Whenever you're doing dropshipping, product research is your main focus. You need to spend hours and hours and hours looking for products, understanding different product methods. Right here on my channel, I'm going to do a series every single Monday where I give you 5 products that are winning products in the moment, and why you need to sell them, and how I find them, and the exact methods that I use to find them. So if you want to stay tuned to that, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you stay tuned for those products. But essentially, you need to focus on product research. That should be your main focus, not ads, not scaling, research. The third thing, start with products that are proven to sell. Don't just sell some random thing that you think out there. Maybe you think, this little key holder is really cool. I think it's really hipster or cool. I'm gonna start selling it on Shopify and people are gonna love it. I'm gonna make millions. No, start selling with things that have high volume on AliExpress, have high volume on Amazon, maybe even eBay, and other stores are selling as well. Start with something that works, and then you put your own touch and model to it. The last thing, invest in high quality product research tools like AliShark, Pexda, PexClip, Sell the Trend, literally all of these tools, Ecom Hunt. You can invest in these tools. They all have free trials. So you don't even have to invest that much money. It's just like maybe $50 a month, all the way through that, to get real products that sell and actually help you scale and make some money. And you can also join Facebook groups for product alerts and winning product offers. There's a group by Weo, the software that I did a video on a couple days ago, that they essentially give out winning products that are selling right now in China, and you can sell in the United States as well. You can join product groups like that they essentially give you product alerts to take and sell for yourself. Now, getting sales. Facebook ads are more competitive than ever. You need to adapt to these new costs. You need to change your audiences. If you're getting a high cost per purchase, if you're getting a high cost per click, need to adapt, change up your ad, become better at it, right? Learn better copywriting, learn better creation of images, better, positioning of your offer and your product. Don't just give up and say, oh, Facebook ads are expensive. It's not easy to sell through Facebook ads with Shopify. You just need to adapt and get better. The better you get, the more money you make, the luckier you get, right? The better you get, the luckier you get. Literally, you get more money from Facebook ads just because you're getting better and improving all these skills. Target tier 1 or e-packet countries using audiences that fit the bullseye. If you want to learn how to find that bullseye and how to find your perfect targeting, you can check the eye icon right here. I made a video on targeting a couple days ago. People went crazy about it, so you can master Facebook ads targeting. Google ads and organic traffic sources. You don't only need to do Facebook ads. You can do organic Google ads or Instagram. You can even do Pinterest, Snapchat, whatever you want to do. But there's multiple traffic sources out there. If you want to learn how to do Google ads or organic traffic, there's videos down in the description. I made one of each and every one: Google ads, organic traffic, and Instagram. And Instagram influencers is also a great way to cheaply and cost effectively promote your products to a huge audience and get a bunch of data, a bunch of people visiting your store. They might not buy, but now you're getting data that you can use for Facebook ads, and then improve on your Facebook ads, become better at it, and improve your whole account and absolutely crush and beat your competition. Before we move on, I do want to congratulate James Stoyer, I'm not sure if I said that right, for winning a free one-on-one call with me, free consultation call. If you want to win a free call to discuss your store, your Facebook ad strategy, whatever you want to do, comment secrets down in the comments below. Subscribe. I will be checking who's subscribed and who's not. Hit that notification bell, comment secrets down below, and maybe you'll be the one who wins. Now, for an awesome part, crushing your competition. Everybody's learning the same way. Let's say I have like 6,300 subscribers here. What makes you different than the 6,299 others, right? This is what will make you different. Upsells. Upsells are king because you're making more profit per sale. You can check the upsell apps down below. I'm not an affiliate. Those are just links that you can download. Upsells are essentially when you sell a product to someone, let's say it costs $20, and then you tell them, hey, you can also get this product that's very similar for $10 more. And you now sell them a product that's $30 total order, and you're making an extra $10 per sale for every single sale that you get, so you make more profit. Abandoned carts. Abandoned carts are literally like flushing money down the toilet if you don't have apps to take those abandoned carts and actually turn them into sales. Like 20% of our sales come from abandoned carts and abandoned customers, and retargeting that traffic that comes from those people that are actively buying on your store. They're just not finishing the checkout process for whatever reason in their life. And the third thing, customer service. You want to build a long-term brand, and people that like your product are going to share it with literally everybody. But people that don't like your product and don't like your brand and your service are going to share with even more people. So you want people to share how good your brand is, not how bad your brand is. Because think about when you buy a product and you absolutely hate the buying process, the service is horrible, the company is horrible, you're gonna tell literally everybody that asks about that product, you're gonna tell a bunch of friends, a group chat, and now those people know that that company is something to stay away from. You don't want that effect. You want the effect of people telling their friends, hey, you need to buy from this company. Like some of my students, for example, my mentoring program, they tell their friends like, hey, you gotta join this, you gotta join this. That ripple effect that makes just by giving good service and giving a good program and a good product, that creates a huge levels of effect, and more people get to know about you and essentially get to refer you to your products and your company and buy more and more and more. Now, what to do next to be profitable in 2019 and beyond with dropshipping, and stop with all this dropshipping is dead, dropshipping is not profitable BS. Focus on product audience fit. You gotta have a product that sells, and then you gotta find the right audience. It can't just be Facebook ads, might be it's Google ads, maybe it's Instagram, maybe it's Pinterest, whatever it is. If you wanna find what right targeting you wanna do for each and every one of them, links are down in the description or in the eye icons. Don't think you just need to focus on Facebook ads, right? You gotta find the right traffic source for your products. And then the last thing, check the link down in the description for a free call with my team, the Econ Secrets team, to see if mentoring is the right fit for you. I run an amazing mentoring program where I teach people how to start and grow e-com dropshipping businesses from the ground up, all the way to, some students of us are literally doing $50,000 a month, $100,000 a month. I have one student right now doing $5,000 every single day, $150,000 a month from my program, started from nothing, now is all the way there. It's not easy, but the steps that I teach in my program and just having the access to me and the access to the community is absolutely huge. All right, if you wanna learn what are the top 7 products that you should sell right now on your dropshipping store, check out the video right here that I made about 2 days ago on the best products to sell right now. I am making every Monday a series of the best 5 products to sell every single Monday for that week. Thank you so much for watching this video. Check out this video for the top 7 products. Subscribe to this channel, check out the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.